Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your GK teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So again we are together to enhance our knowledge. So for in the series of enhancing our knowledge we have a third chapter, that is important dams of India. Before we will start about knowing some important dams in India, we should know what is dam. Okay, so a wall built across a river to hold back the water and form a lake or reservoir behind it. So this is known as a dam. Now, what is the use to build dam in country or in India? So water, by making dam, we can use water for fishing or to generate hydroelectricity power, as well as we can support our irrigation system by holding water or by save water in a dam. So this is the importance of a dam in our India. Now we will talk one by one some important dams which is built in India. Now, first dam we have, that is Hirakud Dam. Okay, so what is the importance of this dam? Now, it is built across the Mahanadi River. Okay, it is built across the Mahanadi River about 15 kilometers from Sambhalpur in the state of Odisha. So, three main points we have to keep in our mind. First, it is built across the Mahanadi River and it is about 15 kilometers long, and it is built in the Sambhalpur in the state of Odisha. Now, it is the longest man-made dam in the world. Longest dam in the world which is made by man. Now, there are two observation towers on this dam. First is called Gandhi Minar and second is Nehru Minar. Okay. Now we will have the second dam, that is Bhakra Dam. Okay, so it is a concrete gravity dam on the Satluj River in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, it is situated in across the Satluj River and the Bilaspur, which is situated in the state Himachal Pradesh. Okay, its reservoir known as Govind Sagar. Okay, its reservoir or lake is known as Govind Sagar Lake, and this reservoir store up to 9.3 billion cubic meter of water, and it is the second tallest dam in the India. Okay, and also it is the largest dam is Indra Sagar Dam, and it is the second largest reservoir. Largest reservoir in India is Indra Sagar, and it is second largest reservoir in India, which is known as Govind Sagar Lake. So Govind Sagar Lake is a part of Bhakra Dam. Now we have next dam, that is Nagarjun Sagar Dam or Nagarjun Dam. So this dam is a masonry dam across the Krishna River at Nagarjun Sagar, which is between the Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and also it is between the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, now what is masonry dam? So it is made of stones and bricks. Okay, basically this dam is made of stone and bricks, and this dam is built between the state Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So this dam is important for both states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and this dam is constructed between 1955 to 1967. Okay, and it holds the water capacity, that is very big amount of water, 11.47 billion cubic meter. Okay, and the height of this dam is 124 meter. Okay, and this dam is built across the Krishna River. Okay, which is situated in between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And now next dam we had, that is Tehri Dam. Okay, Tehri Dam. So this dam is the highest dam in India and one of the highest dam in the world. Or we can say it is the highest dam in India, which is the height of this dam is 261 meters. Okay, the height of this dam is 261 meters, and it is eight tallest dam in the world. Okay, the rank of this dam in the tallest dam in the world. The rank of this dam is eight, and it is basically built across the Bhagirathi River, which is near Tehri in Uttarakhand also. Okay, it is also made in the Uttarakhand state, and the basic purpose to make this dam to generate electrostatic power. Okay, the basic purpose of to build this dam is only the electricity generation, and it is the this dam is located on across the Bhagirathi River, and it is the tallest dam in the India. Now next we have Damodar Valley project. Okay, so Damodar Valley project was the first multi-purpose project of India which was undertaken to build dams on Damodar River and its tributaries in the states of Jharkhand and West Bengal to rid the region of annual floods. Actually, the Damodar River is a tributary of Hooghly River. It flows more or less in the west to east to Jharkhand and West Bengal. So in this state, every time people has to suffer annual floods. To stop this annual floods or to get rid of this annual floods, Indian government take a challenge to make some dams across these rivers, Damodar River and its tributaries in the states of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Firstly, the original plan was to construct seven major dams. These dams were to be Azar, Panchayat Hills on the Damodar rivers, but the DVC, okay, but the DVC has constructed only four dams. These, okay. The initial project was to build the seven dams on this river across these rivers, but the Damodar Valley Construction Corporation (DVC) only made four dams across the Damodar River. So the basically it is a multi-purpose project of India, and it is built across the river Damodar River and the state of Jharkhand, West Bengal. So the government can save the people from the annual floods. So there's a basic reason behind this Damodar Valley project to get rid of the annual floods. Now next dam we have, that is Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is made across the river Damodar River and which is located in the Kevadia place in the state of Gujarat. It is one of the largest and most controversial interstate dam because it we can say it supply power and water or drinking water, water for irrigation to the state Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Means this the water from this dam is supplied to three different states. First is Gujarat, second is Madhya Pradesh, and third is Maharashtra. So that is why it is largest and most controversial interstate multi-purpose dam. Okay. And